The wheel spacers frequent handling on a Mercedes G-Class. Many people want to know if installing wheel spacers will negatively impact the Mercedes G-Class incredible handling and ride quality. The good news is that installing properly fitting, high-quality wheel spacers on your Mercedes G-Class will improve the handling, ride comfort, or performance. That was Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers don't cause issues, as long as the wheel spacers match your Mercedes G-Class both pattern and hub. It will position the wheels precisely where they need to be without disrupting alignment. Reputable wheel spacer manufacturers pay close attention to these specifications. Improperly installed spacers can throw off your wheel balance, leading to vibration in the steering wheel and chassis. Half-century quality Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers can maintain proper balance. Installed half-century Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug bolt can hold it first against the mounting plate. These wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the Mercedes G-Class weight better and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing a minimum chance of wheel vibration. BONOSS Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers have a multi-stage half-century design. We can see they have 1 step, 2 step, and 3 steps. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. Besides, the BONOSS after-cooling Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in proper shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of active dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and incredible safety. Overall, high-quality Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers properly installed have little effect on ride quality for most daily drivers. As always, quality Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers will enhance ride quality.